Let's make a little trip to Dollar Tree. Sometimes the simplest thing being the greatest blessing. Today we are picking up a hummingbird feeder for just $1.25. It's a small way to bring joy on our yard and welcome those amazing creatures. This little feeder is perfect, but we will add a simple hacks to make it even better for our hummingbirds. Hummingbirds need a place to rest while they drink. We can offer them a small perch by wrapping a little wire around the feeding holes to help them relax and enjoy the nectar. These guys travel thousands of miles across the US and beyond, talking about determination. I love these tiny birds. They are like a flying drop of joy. And they always remind me to slow down and enjoy the sweet moments. I mix 1 part sugar with 4 part water. Boil it for a few minutes. Let it cool completely before pouring into the feeder. Simple, sweet, and safe for our little friends. If you make a big batch, you can store extra nectar in a sealed glass jar in the refrigerator up to 2 weeks. Hummingbirds may be tiny, but their journey is incredible. Every year, they migrate thousands of miles, some traveling over 500 miles non-stop across the Gulf of America. Imagine the strength and faith it takes for such a small bird to make such a big journey. In the South, hummingbirds start arriving in March, make their way north by April and May. By fall, they begin their long journey back, following the season. Hang your feeder in a shady spot near flower if possible. Fill it halfway and refill every few days to keep nectar fresh. A clean feeder keeps the hummingbird healthy, so wash it out at least once a week. And had it ready so they stop by. And there they are, so small and full of energy, and yet so fearless. Watching them remind me of faith. These little birds trust they will find food and shelter along their journey, just as we are called to trust in God's provision. For many people, the hummingbird is more than just a bird. It is a sign of joy, resilience, and love. For me, it's also a reminder that God cares for even the smallest creature, and that we can trust Him to care for us too. And they also carry a message no matter how far the journey. Joy can be found in the pause, in the sweet moment along the way. Look at them. It's amazing how something so simple can bring so much joy to your yard. I hope this inspires you to create a little oasis of joy where you are. because beauty, peace, and hope don't have to be expensive. It just have to be shared. Take a moment and breathe. Stay with me for a little longer. Let the stillness and the beauty of this moment fill your soul. So, there my Hummingbird Oasis on budget. It's simple, peaceful, and make me smile every time I see a little visitor. And thanks for hanging out with me at Tippy at Home.